Oh, they're just slicing off that pig foot. And apparently the difference between sangria and tinto is just an apple. There he is on his horsey right there. Some guy is selling some fake merch with the strings ready to go in case the police come. Good morning. Today we are in central Madrid. We're going to have a look around Madrid. I've been here twice before, but today is going to be a little different. So I'm going to start the day with a shower. Now this is a free, no, it's not a free shower, it's a 50-cent shower. Now I've been driving all night, I need a shower. We're going to test out the local facilities and hopefully they're not full of El Vagabundos. We'll see what happens. It'll be a good experience, I think. But yeah, there's a police car outside. Yeah, little sus. So we're going to keep a low profile and start the day. After the shower, we're going to go to the market, get some food, and then go from there. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, well, it was a good shower. We got the bloody SWAT team here now. What is going on, Madrid? Alright, time for the market. Alright, wow, look at this. Just let your soul glow. Just let it shine through. Let it shine through. Wow, here we are, Mercado de San Fernando. We haven't had much luck with markets in Spain. They always seem to be closed. But let's see. She spotted something. Look at this. Peruvian cuisine. Pretty hard to find in London. The first thing here, look at this. Wow. And it's not padded with Mexican dishes either. We're gonna have a little look around the market. Apparently noon is a little early for Spain because what I noticed is everyone is in bed, or at least not out and about. So things don't seem to become active until at least the afternoon. Oh, then you have the siesta to contest with. So guaranteed by 4 p.m. something should be open, I think. So it's just an observation. Huh. Yes, it's Friday today. Friday at noon. Huh. Yeah, I've only seen music, shirts, and emptiness so far. San Fernando, what's going on? So we decided to do a 15-minute walk to Plaza Mayor, which we'll see in a second, to a more bustling market. Look at this one. Wow, Mercado de San Miguel. Now this one looks buzzing, doesn't it? So we're going to see if we're going to find some food in here. Looks like they got raw meat, cooked meat, street food, all kinds of things. So let's check it out, see what they have. Wow. Look at that, there's a pig foot. Oh, they're just slicing off that pig foot. That's crazy. Look how busy this market is. Wow. Imagine that on a Saturday, huh? Look at this. Ooh. I'm thinking, oh look at that, 15 euros. I'm thinking this is like an upscale market. It's not your traditional, market as you might imagine one. I think it's definitely a tourist market. Look at this. It's absolutely rammed in here. Wow, okay. Let's see if we can get some food or something. This is nuts. Oh, they got wine, tapas fritas. Little desserts, little tapas. Oh, we found some paella. You found it? Oh, look at this. What on earth are they? What are they? Are they like barnacles? Oh, look. You can find those on Skegness Beach, even Great Yarmouth Beach, for free. Oh, no way. Well, this is crazy. Yeah, little tacos. Seafood. That looks actually quite fresh and nice. Yeah, that looks quite nice, that one. Alright. Wow, what is this? Octopus sandwich? No way. Wow. Octopus sandwich. Okay, what's over here? A lot of selection here. A little sampler platters there. 12 euros for one tray. You get an idea of how much things are in this market. Wow, check these out. It almost looks like a cartoon, doesn't it? But I think it's real. Look at this, paella power. Wow, how much is this stuff? Oh, there you go, look. 14 euros small, 20 special, 24 large. Wow, it's a little pricey, isn't it? Oh, it's cooking over there. Look at that one. Woo. What's this black one? Oh, well, pretty busy, very expensive. I think if you're a tourist here for a weekend, it's probably pretty good. Well, 20 euros for a bit of rice with one shrimp and one mussel. I think we can do better. Okay, let's investigate. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the original market and try again there. Maybe things are more open now, but that one is definitely a tourist trap. Right now we're in Plaza Mayor. Now, Plaza Mayor is from the 16th century during the reign of Philip III. There he is on his horsey right now. It's cool, isn't it? I think it was started by Philip II, but he took over and finished it. And he transformed it into what it is today. And people actually live up here in these apartments here. I think a one-bedroom apartment will set you back between 1,200 euros up to, maybe 2,000. And then a two-bedroom apartment, 1,800 and beyond, etc. So people actually live in the apartments in Plaza Mayor, which is crazy. It's cool, isn't it? And there he is, look, there. King Philly in the middle there on his little horse. It's got one of those little Shakespeare neck chiefs on there. Look at that. So in Plaza Mayor they used to have all kinds of things. Bullfighting, executions. It was a real Plaza de Armas, a central square. People would gather. But during the Spanish Inquisition, if people didn't follow the Catholic religion very closely, they were put on trial. And that could lead to execution, burning at the stake. And these are one of the places where this would have happened. Wow. Imagine that. You can't even imagine that today, can you? People don't really go to church anymore, especially in the UK. I imagine they do a bit more here, but it's hard to say, the younger generation don't follow religion as much as they did 50, 60, 70 years ago. So it's quite interesting how deeply rooted the links between royalty and the church were. Insane. And there's Plaza Mayor today. Look at this. Popular tourist spot. So we've got a bracelet scam going on here. He's putting a bracelet on his wrist, telling him the bracelet is for free, you're my friend. And then he's probably going to ask for 10 euros. You think of the Peruvian food in Spain? Hey. Always.
Canto para ti esta rompita, bailando al compás, ole, ole, hola, menea las caderas morenita.
I just saw this in the market. Look, for 8 euros you can get a rabbit. Look at that. Friggin' rabbit. With organs and everything. It's crazy. What kind of antibiotics are they using in Spain? Look at this beast. Steroids, yeah. It's really hard to capture it, but Jesus Christ, that's huge. Look at these green onions as well. Okay, compare it to an actual onion. It's crazy. Wow, I was always wondering after COVID whether you could still get a litre of wine for less than €1. And, well, you can. It's 89 cents. Crazy, isn't it? Wow. So this is a symbol of Madrid, the bear and the strawberry tree, signifying, well, the bears used to roam here. It signifies an agreement between the city and the church. Wow, they're very popular actually here. Look at all these people wanting a photo. It's like a modern day Paddington. So check out Madrid on a Saturday evening. Right now it's around 8 p.m. Look how busy it is. It's crazy, isn't it? We're surrounded by restaurants, cafes, bars. Okay, I'm trying one of these. The beer of Madrid. Maybe, I'm not sure. Mahau. Oh, you have the special brew. I have the normal one. Is this Spanish?
Cerveza de Madrid.
Ah, okay. The beer of Madrid. Cheers. It's actually okay. Not bad. 8 out of 10. Right, so this is Gran Via, Madrid's answer to Broadway, I guess. There's a super fancy McDonald's there. I think I got a video of that a few years ago. There's a bachelor party here. There's a guy selling roses somewhere. Bit of a homeless. People eating and drinking. A pretty big mix, actually. And a lot of American restaurants like Taco Bell are all appearing here now. I don't remember those from a few years ago. But yeah, this is not a bad vibe, not a bad vibe. A lot of street food, street drinking too. So right here on Plaza Mayor, there used to be a metal bar here. It's closed now, but these guys here, there's one here, one next to me. And they come here every day and protest. All here every day, all day, every day. It's like those Scientology guys in Hollywood. He live streams, you know, every time someone gets recruited by the Scientology, it's like, no, it's bullshit. Don't do it. But yeah, it's good because they're still protesting all day and every day to get the bar back. But sadly, I mean, these places are pretty frigging expensive. Landlords are scummy, so you know things happen. But yeah, a little interesting actually. So I'm quite surprised because in Madrid you can't drink alcohol in the street. I found that really surprising because alcohol is pretty cheap here, and I thought it was more of a party city than London. I think it is really, but you can only drink it in licensed terraces apparently, like cafes, pubs. So there's outdoor tables. But I mean, it doesn't stop a lot of people. Like these guys drinking the Heinies, and well, mine's in my pocket. Freaking Coca-Cola bear across there. Bloody Sonic! Look at this. What's going on? What can you tell me about Madrid, please? For my travel video.
I think I'm in love with Madrid. It's like the best city.
It's the best city. Why is Madrid the best city?
Because there are a lot of, like, you can find your place. Like, it doesn't matter the place where you come from. You can find your people. You can find your people here.
Okay, so you're saying Madrid number 1, Lima number 2. Unbelievable.
Lima is number 2. I think Madrid is number 1.
Oh wow, Madrid number 1.
Yeah.
Look at that Peruvian face. Da, da, da. So it's almost 1 a.m. And the thing I noticed about Madrid at 1 a.m. is everyone's still pretty calm. Now, if this was in the UK, people would be drunk, shouting, rolling around. But it seems like there's people of all ages, old, young, just chilling, enjoying a beer, enjoying each other's company. I actually quite like it, it's really nice. Look at this, look. You'd never see that at 1 a.m. Well, in the UK anyway. Are we here? Oh, alright. I think we're gonna have something. Welcome to 2025. Although I'm on my phone as well. Check it out, look. Hey, you order drinks, you get some gummies. Look at that, wow. I think if everyone's too distracted, I'm gonna finish these. Bueno. Okay, we're having some drinks. We're having Tinto. And apparently the difference between sangria and Tinto is just an apple. Is that true? Comment below. That's what I was told. Oh, these are plastic. Oh, what kind of Europe is this? Are we drinking from plastic now? Salud!
It's safe for gringos.
Ah,
I say gringos.
okay. It says pesky gringos breaking glass again.
Yeah.
There's pesky gringos with their plastic straws. Okay, salud! Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Oh, very nice. Wow. Tinto, welcome to Madrid again. Here's the Madrid experience on the metro. Oof. A little bit claustrophobic. 8 more stops. So you're making paella.
Kinda.
Kinda.
It's a mix of something Peruvian with something Spanish, I guess.
Arroz con mariscos.
I'm trying my
Spanish
best.
version. Oh, look at this. Langostina. Help me. Ayuda. Okay, well, let's see what that's like. Oh, there, you're using that's for the salsa, right?
Yes.
Ah, because they're the buddies. Okay, wow. We'll see this later. Okay, we're at Plaza de la Puerta del Sol, right in the middle of the city. Here we've got a statue of Carlos III, the best mayor of Madrid, responsible for modernizing the city. And there we have a PP sign. Well, it's not really a sign, it's a Pepe, but it sounds better when you say PP. So yeah, we're just meeting up with some friends here, walking around the city, see what the day has to offer. It's a very, I don't know, it's very nice, very warm, very chill vibe. No drunken people going crazy. I think I like this a lot better than the UK. Wow. Who knew, huh? Who knew? Alright. Okay, we're in a place. It's Euromania on Sundays and Wednesdays. Luckily for me, it's Sunday today. Check this out. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. I don't know why he's in a straitjacket though. But look at this. 100 tapas options for €1 each. Can you believe that? And then if you want to screw the pricing and go bus man, well, isn't that amazing? Well, I just had dinner, but maybe I can squeeze in a few of those items. We are in 100 Montanidos. And look at the decor, look at this. Chilled out vibe. It's cool, isn't it? I know it's on Sunday, and Monday and Tuesday. Every day is a weekend here. It's a party time. It's very nice. Okay, I don't know why I'm eating. I already ate, but you know, when in Rome, right? Well, when in Madrid. Okay, the food has arrived. I didn't realize everything was a sandwich. Look at this. They're like White Castle sliders. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's like sandwich tapas. It's almost like French baguette sandwich tapas. I think they look pretty nice though. Look at that. Not bad. €7 in the middle of Madrid. Wow. So we've got some guys selling some fake merch with the strings ready to go in case the police come. You see that all over Europe now actually, but not in the UK, weirdly enough. I just found a mulberry tree, look at this. And then, look at that, how cool is that? It's like a blackberry but on a tree. Wow, so much free food. Oh yeah, the birds are eating it there. Yeah, he's picking.